how to disassemble the M&P 9mm shield. First thing you do is make sure that the weapon is clear. Clear. Easy way to do it for beginners. So you hit the takedown lever 90 degrees away from the slide. $90 degrees. Drop the mag. Pull the magazine out. Unleash the slide. Pull the trigger. That will come right off. There you have the recoil spring. And there you have the barrel. And that is the slide. When you oil it, make sure you oil the parts that are metal on metal for sure. Make sure you clean and oil it. Those parts as well. All right, so you put the barrel right back in. Put the barrel right in. Right there, the recoil spring. Make sure you put it in the right way. All right. See the top. Okay, then you can put the slide right back on. All you have to do is slide it in. That's common sense. Make sure, it's like putting on Legos. Okay, and then you can put the magazine back in so the slide can stick. Put the lever back up. Pull the trigger and you're good to go. Fire. You got practice.
How we live it, don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be